If you own a standby home generator, you know how important regular maintenance is to ensure it's ready when you need it most. That's where the Generac 6482 Scheduled Maintenance Kit comes in, specifically designed for 8 kW 410 cubic centimeters engine generators. This comprehensive kit is a game-changer for generator owners, providing everything you need to keep your unit running smoothly, minus the oil point. One of the standout features of this kit is its tailored approach. Each component is specifically chosen for 8 kW 410 cubic centimeters engines, meaning you're not getting generic parts that might not fit perfectly or work as efficiently. This attention to detail is crucial for optimal maintenance, making sure every part of your generator is serviced as it should be. Generac recommends performing maintenance on your generator every 200 hours or every 2 years, whichever comes first. However, if you're in a dusty environment, you might need to do this more frequently. It's a small price to pay for the peace of mind that your generator will work flawlessly in an emergency. The kit includes essential items such as an air filter, oil funnel, spark plugs, wrench, chamois, and an instruction manual. The inclusion of a preventative maintenance reminder sticker is a nice touch, helping ensure you don't forget about the next servicing date. While oil isn't included in the kit, the manual provides detailed instructions on what type and how much you need, making it easy. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.